Hey guys, Whitespace here. Today, we will be looking at the unknown, but useful and helpful Python libraries that you should know about. I guarantee you will learn about at least one new library. Let's get started. First up, we have Arrow. Arrow is a library that allows you to get and manipulate times and dates using Python. You can easily get time zone data and easily manipulate it. Next, we have Peewee. This is an ORM library. It gives SQL and other databases a simple and easy-to-write Python binding. It is perfect for personal projects. Now we move on to Cerberus. This library is for validating data. You can easily check dictionary-style data. It is great for parsing a lot of data that could contain errors in data types. Now we have PyInput+. Have you ever faced the problem of having to parse user input? This library makes it a lot simpler. You can specify data type, value limits, and much more. Lastly, we have PyWhat. This is a useful library that allows you to extract information from text. If you have your code print some unknown value, or you have user input that could have many types, you can just ask what, and this library will have the answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please consider liking the video, commenting, and subscribing. It helps to grow my channel a lot.